Helios MCT provides additional output variables that aren't available in a conventional ANSYS analysis. These output variables provide insight into whether or not the matrix or fiber constituents have failed, and also show how these failures propagate during a composite analysis. These output variables are available as state variables, or SVARs, within ANSYS. For a unidirectional material, such as this open hole plate that is going to be pulled in tension, the state variable 1 is of most importance. State variable 1 allows the analyst to determine whether there is matrix or fiber failure or no failure at all. Now I've set up the contour so that a value of 1, which is indicative of no composite failure, is assigned the color blue. The value of 2, which is indicative of matrix failure, is green, and the value of 3, which indicates fiber failure, is colored red. I divided the loading up into 10 substeps, and right now we're 40% of the way through, and we can see that the plate is entirely blue, indicating that there is no failure yet. By moving one load step ahead, we can see, if we zoom in, that we get the color green, indicating the state variable 1 value of 2, indicating that we have matrix failure in this particular composite ply. Moving ahead, we see that we get even more matrix failure as we increase the loading to the next load step. Progressing further, we see that matrix failure occurs further into the plate. Progressing further, we start to see a large cascade of matrix failure, and we also get the color red appearing, indicating that fiber failure has occurred on the circular edges. Progressing further, we see that there's even more matrix and fiber failure, and that a distinct line of fiber failure has occurred through this entire ply. Now at this point we're 90% of the way through the analysis, and we could probably consider this ply failed, based on the fact that fiber failure extends throughout the entire ply. Progressing to the end of the load step, we see that the fiber failure extends through the ply throughout the entire plate.